Are you curious about how Evion capsules can boost your health? In today's video, we'll uncover the important facts you need to know before using Evion capsules. Welcome back to Muhammad the Pharmacist. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to never miss a health tip. Evion is a popular supplement that contains vitamin E, also known as tocopherol. It's an antioxidant that helps protect your body cells from damage caused by free radicals. So let's explore where Evion is commonly used. It's used in skin health. It helps in improving skin texture, reducing dryness and promoting wound healing. In hair care, it supports hair growth and reduces hair fall due to its antioxidant properties. It's also used to improve fertility, sometimes recommended to improve male fertility by protecting sperm cells. It's also used to improve heart and immune health. It supports healthy blood vessels and strengthens the immune system. The usual dose is 400 milligrams daily or as prescribed by your doctor. Always follow your healthcare provider's advice regarding the correct dosage. Evion is best taken after meals to improve absorption since vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin. Swallow the capsule whole with water. Do not chew or crush the capsule. While Evion is generally safe, high doses or misuse can cause side effects such as nausea, diarrhea, stomach cramps, fatigue, etc. Always avoid exceeding the recommended dose unless directed by a doctor. Evion may not be suitable if you have a bleeding disorder, or if you have vitamin K deficiency, or if you are on anticoagulants like warfarin, because it can increase bleeding risk. So can Evion be used topically? Yes, many people open the capsule and apply it directly to the skin or scalp to treat dryness, scars or hair loss. But remember, topical use can sometimes cause irritation. Evion is a versatile supplement, but like all medicines, it should be used responsibly and under medical supervision. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with others who might benefit. Have you used Evion before? Drop your experience in the comments. I would love to hear from you.